welcome back to my channel. I kind of look like a wet dog right now. I just got out of the shower and got ready. I'm starving. It's literally 11 and I haven't eaten anything yet, so I need to go make some breakfast. I think there was a little bit of confusion on my last video. A couple of you guys had said something about like, oh, I love your new apartment. I still live with my parents like when I'm home from college, so I'm not like on my own in an apartment. So I just wanted to clarify that if some of you were confused. But I will be moving in to my first apartment with one of my best friends in August. That'll be really exciting. I can't wait to show you guys. So today I know that I want to declutter my closet and do a little closet clean out. I'm gonna list a bunch of my stuff on Poshmark because, like I said in my last video, I have so many things. I don't know where all this came from, but I feel like I have 3 times the amount of clothes that I used to. So I'm gonna go through everything, post stuff on Poshmark. I'll talk to you guys more about all of that, and I will show you guys me decluttering my closet. I know I'm gonna go to yoga later, and then I'm also filming this video that I filmed the first part for yesterday, and then I'm gonna film the second part today, but I'm not doing that until after yoga, I think. So I'll just keep you guys updated, you know, throughout the day. But yeah, I'm really hungry. I think I'm gonna go make myself some eggs. That's been my go-to since I've been home. It feels so good to be able to make my own food and eat real food, not from the dining hall. I really just want to get my eating back on track because this year I ate so bad. Someone commented on my last video and was like, you're gonna have a heart attack at 25, and I was like, you're right. So I really am trying to get better with my eating habits, I promise. Hello, belly rub, a little floppy ear. Good morning. You're such a little cutie. Just made myself 2 scrambled eggs and then a mini bagel with crunchy peanut butter, and then I just have a glass of water. I'm watching Maggie. I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, watch the rest of my YouTube video. Oh my gosh, I just realized her video is 40 minutes long. Yeah, so I'm probably just gonna watch this while I eat my breakfast. You guys, I scarfed down that breakfast. You have no idea. But I'm just putting my hair in a little braid because I'm about to do some cleaning. I have 2 big IKEA bags of clothes. My closet's full. I actually have 2 full closets of clothes as well in my house, on top of like the billions of bags of clothes from school. So I'm gonna be going through all of that right now, but I'm gonna be posting literally so many things on my Poshmark. I did this last summer actually, and I would write like cute little notes to everyone that like bought something. So I'm really excited to do that again. I'm going to put my Poshmark in the description box. It's always in the description box of my videos. I'm also going to put a link so that you guys can sign up and create a closet of your own. I want you guys to comment below your closet names. Mine's just Brookedidasmgmt. Funny thing, a lot of you guys don't know that that's how you pronounce my name. It's not Brookedidasmgmt, which I don't care if you say Brookedidasmgmt, but it's actually Brookedidasmgmt. Fun fact. I want you guys all to leave your closet names down in the description so that we can all follow each other. We're just gonna all declutter our lives, and I can't wait to see what you guys are posting as well, and maybe I'll buy some things from you guys if you got something good. I'm opening up my windows and I just feel so good right now. The birds are chirping. It just feels like such a nice day. I'm gonna prop you guys up and get organizing. Okay, I have a ginormous box of clothes that I'm going to be selling that I wanted to show you guys. I'll show you guys a couple pieces, but here is just a little sneak peek of everything. Okay, so here are some pieces that I just wanted to show you. So this one's super cute. I actually have only worn this once. It just has like this deep V and this really pretty lace detailing. It's kind of like a peplum, but it's not tight. It's kind of like a looser, and it has the exact same V in the back, so it's really flattering. It looks super pretty. Yeah, this is such a pretty, like, delicate girly top. Then there's this shirt, and this is actually just a little crop top. Like, it buttons up. It looks super cute with like some white high-waisted jeans. I've actually never worn this. It just has like this little open in the back that buttons, but this is just super cute. I think this is really nice for like the summer, you know, like with high-waisted white jeans. I think this would be so cute. This tank top is so pretty. It's this really light pink. This is like one of my favorite colors, and it has this V-neck, but it's kind of like a mix between a like scoop V, if you know what I mean. But this is really good quality. This is from, I think this was from PacSun, and then it's just like your typical tank top. The material of this is so nice. I don't even know how to explain it. This is so cute. I almost don't want to sell this because I love it so much, but I just feel like I don't get use out of it. And then I'll show you one more thing. I'll show you this little top. This is a halter. This is from Tilly's, if you know where that is. This is a super cute top. It has the little ruffle at the bottom. It's like super stretchy. Go check out my closet if you want to see the other things that I posted on it. Right now I'm actually going to go through everything else that I put in the box and see if there's anything that I just want to wash one more time before I send it out to you guys. If you buy stuff from my closet, I'll write you a cute little note in it. Don't forget to leave your Poshmark down below. I want to know the names of all your closets so that we can all follow each other. So I'm heading off to yoga. I'm going to a 4 o'clock class. This is just a Power Vinyasa basics class. I'm going with my sister. This is actually her second yoga class ever. She really liked it. I took her for the first time 2 days ago. She like loved it, so I'm really happy she likes it. And now we're actually gonna go bring my cousin, who's also my sister's age. I don't know if she's ever done yoga before. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. I just have on this little sports bra from Lulu. This is just, you can see the crisscross, and then these pink leggings are just from Gymshark, and they have kind of like some like texture there. And then I'll just throw on like a sweatshirt or something before I go, and then my sneakers, and then obviously take it off before class. The yoga classes that I go to are heated, so the room is 90 degrees, so we like sweat a ton. So I really don't like wearing a shirt or anything. I like to just wear my sports bra so I can be a little less sticky. Okay guys, so I just got out of yoga, and well, I didn't just get out of yoga. I got out of yoga, and that's why I look all sweaty and gross right now. But I brought my sister and my cousin to a lacrosse game, and then I went to Starbucks because I filmed a second part to a video that I'm making that I started filming yesterday. And my dad actually just texted me wanting I thought I lost my card. My dad actually just texted me because I guess we're getting subs tonight, so I think Colin's gonna come over too. I think I'm gonna get a buffalo chicken sub, like grilled chicken. That sounds really yummy. Yeah, well, I'm gonna head home now. I actually just beat all the bad weather. It got so dark and scary outside, and now it's raining. But I didn't have to drive in it or anything. I like just beat it when I got home. I just got so cold. Like after yoga, because it's like hot yoga, I sweat so much in there. And then I come out and I'm like cooling down, and then I literally get like shivers and I'm so cold. I think it's just like my body's in shock from going like to a room so hot to just like the outside temperature, and like in my house is really cold. But right now literally all I want to do is like cuddle up and lay under a blanket. Colin's on his way over right now. What? That's a giant sub. I got a buffalo chicken sub. You look cute. Oh. As you go monster on the sub. it's the next day now, and I realized that I didn't even film an outro or anything because last night I literally just crawled up in bed and Colin and I passed out. We were both so tired. It was like 9 o'clock. I never filmed an outro or anything, so I just wanted to pop in here and say goodbye. I also want you guys to leave me down below your favorite videos to watch or videos you want to see from me, because I really want to focus on my YouTube this summer. So if there's anything specific that you guys like to see from me, like specific things, like I know you guys like vlogs and day in my lives, but if you guys like anything more specific, like things in the day in my lives or different things in my vlogs, like specific things, let me know. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. That was kind of weird. My sister, maybe my myself. Oh my gosh, lots of honking.